What's the meaning of correctness? Correctness. Correctness.
Correctness. Correctness. Correctness refers to the quality or state of being true, accurate, and free from errors or mistakes. It is a measure of how well something conforms to a set of standards or expectations. In various domains such as mathematics, science, engineering, and computing, correctness is a critical attribute for ensuring that processes, systems, programs, or models perform as intended and produce reliable and trustworthy outcomes. Achieving correctness involves rigorous testing, verification, validation, and quality assurance procedures that assess and improve the accuracy, consistency, completeness, and robustness of the underlying components and their interactions.